Good morning, class. Today we're going to be reading Bread and Jam for Francis by Russell Hoban, and pictures are by Lillian Hoban. What do you notice about these two people's last names? Right, they're married. They have the same last name. So Lillian is the illustrator and Russell is the author. So we're going to go through some of our sight words that will begin this literature book, and then we'll hop into reading. So just like at school, I'm going to hold up the picture and you guys try to guess what the word will be. Yes, bread. I'm not going to turn them around actually because you can see that the words are backwards. Bread. Breakfast. Can you see that? It's not peanut butter or toast, but spreading. So just like you spread butter onto toast. Stomach. Hard to see with the glare. Scrambled, like scrambled eggs. Biscuits. We are going to look for all of these words in the first part of our reading today. So everyone grab your Bread and Jam for Francis literature books. We are going to turn to page 5. I'll give you a couple seconds to go get your books and to turn to page 5. Okay, here we go. It was breakfast time and everyone was at the table. Father was eating his eggs. Mother was eating her egg. Gloria was sitting in a high chair and eating her egg too. Francis was eating bread and jam. What a lovely egg, said Father. If there is one thing I am fond of for breakfast, it is a soft boiled egg. Yes, said Mother, spooning up her egg for the baby. It is just the thing to start the day off right. Ah, said Gloria, and ate up her egg. Frances did not eat her egg. She sang a little song to it. She sang the song very softly. I do not like the way you slide. I do not like your soft inside. I do not like you lots of ways, and I could do for many days without eggs. What did you say, Frances? Asked Father. Nothing, said Frances, spreading jam on another slice of bread. Why do you keep eating bread and jam? Asked Father, when you have a lovely soft-boiled egg. One of the reasons I like bread and jam, said Frances, is that it does not slide off your spoon in a funny way. Well, of course, said Father, not everyone is fond of soft-boiled eggs for breakfast. But there are other kinds of eggs. There are sunny side up and sunny side down eggs. Yes, said Frances, but sunny side up eggs lie on the plate and look up at you in a funny way. And sunny side down eggs just lie on their stomach and wait. What about scrambled eggs? Said Father. Scrambled eggs fall off the fork and roll under the table, said Frances. I think it is time for you to go to school now, said Mother. Frances picked up her books, her lunchbox, and her skipping rope. Then she kissed Mother and Father goodbye and went to the bus stop. While she waited for the bus, she skipped and sang. Jam on biscuits, jam on toast. Jam is the thing that I like most. Jam is sticky, jam is sweet. Jam is tasty, jam's a treat. Raspberry, strawberry, gooseberry. I'm very fond of jam. And we will stop right there. Now, if you would like to go back to page 5 and reread this portion of the book, pages 5 to 10, to your mom or your dad, or to your stuffed animals, or to your dog, go ahead and do so. It'd be a great way to practice and try out your singing voice to the words. Have fun!